What's up, fellow coders? Welcome back to part 2 of Learning HTML. Today we will be trying to make a tribute page. Okay, so I have chosen APJ Abdul Kalam and we will be trying to replicate this web page which I have created earlier. So let's get started. And on our journey, we will learn about new tags. So let's fire up VS Code and start with some basic code. Let's put in HTML tag, then we should put in head tag and then title. So let's give this page a title tribute page. Now let's put in body tag. So in body tag, we are going to put today image. We will be learning how to insert image in our web page. So image tag has a attributes. Attributes are these things which help us change properties. We can change color of font, color of heading, we can change size of font and change font family. So in this case, we will be using source. So image source, we need a source for our image. So we can find the source by going in our web browser. We will need to copy its address. So let's copy the address. We will paste it after equal to sign between two inverted commas. Each attribute has a value. The value is put after equal to sign between two inverted commas. Here we go. We can now view this in the preview window. Here it is. It's loading the image from the web. Okay, the image is quite big. We don't need that big of an image. Maybe we can set height of the image. There is another attribute for image tag, which is height attribute, and we can specify the height in terms of pixels. So I have here chosen 200 pixels. Okay, that looks nice. And now let's close the preview window as we need our precious space. And we can use center tag. Center tag is used to align everything between its opening and closing tag. It aligns everything to center. So let's put the closing tag below image tag. Okay, so let's just align this closing tag so that our code looks prettier. And now we can add here a heading, so h1. So I'm going to name this APJ Abdul Kalam. Let's click enter as we will need to add some content to our page. So we are going to use a paragraph tag. So let's open a paragraph and also let's put in the closing tag as well, and we can add our content between these two tags. For just sake of typing, I will copy the content from Wikipedia. Let's click preview again to preview our page. We can see that the image is center lined as well as the heading, and we get our nice paragraphs here. So now let's put in address so that we can use the address tag. We can add the author's name as well as sources we have used. So in the sources, we are going to put Wikipedia. Know that HTML stands for hypertext markup language. So hypertext is a kind of a link which connects different pages, web pages, website, and it can link from one website to another website. So we can, just for functionality, we can make Wikipedia a hyperlink. For making Wikipedia a hyperlink, we will need to use an anchor tag. So anchor tag has the tag name A only, so A short for anchor, and we will need to put href. Href actually stands for hypertext reference. It's an attribute in which we use to get the place we want, or the anchor to which point we want to put the anchor to. So like in this anchor, we will put href value equals to wikipedia.org, and we can anchor tag also has a closing tag, so we will need to put Wikipedia or the thing we want to make a hyperlink between these two tags. This should make the Wikipedia at the bottom are a hypertext. So if we click on Wikipedia, it will take us to the Wikipedia page. So in our preview, we can see that the source is directly in front of the author's name. We don't want that, obviously. We want it to be below author's name. To do that, we will use another tag, which is BR tag. BR, you can say, is for break rule. If you put BR tag, it will break the line, and BR tag is an empty tag, so it doesn't have a closing tag. I don't know why it's not updating, so let's just close our preview window and we can open it again, and there it is source, we can see, is below the author's name. Okay, but wikipedia.org is not very useful, right? So we should put the link directly to APJ Abdul Kalam's Wikipedia page. So we can just go in Safari, search for APJ Abdul Kalam, and go to the first Wikipedia page and copy the address. And we can use this, and we can paste this address in the place of the wikipedia.org, and we should be good to go. So let's save our file wherever we want, and don't forget to put .html. So let's navigate to our file, and we can just click open, and it should open seamlessly in our browser. Here it is, it opens seamlessly, and we can see the result. It is quite similar to the previous web page which I showed earlier. If you liked the video, leave a comment down below and also hit subscribe. Thanks a lot.